guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be focusing on the cryptocurrency known as TRON. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. Please don't forget to check all the links mentioned in the description box below. Also, don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos. So currently TRON is ranked 26 in the list of coins and it is priced at $0.105. And over here you're going to see that over the past 1 month the price has been in downward trajectory, which is a good thing, especially for somebody who wants to enter the market right now, because if you enter the market over here and in future if the price does go up over here, you do have a potential to make a lot of profit. So that's really amazing. In the past 24 hours this is the amount of volume that has been traded and it is up by 24.11%. Over the past 24 hours the price has increased by 1.87%. So again, it's very slow right now. There's not a lot of major movements that are happening, but that's a good thing because you essentially want to buy when the price is in its lowest point and eventually you want to sell when the price reaches all-time high, right? So considering that, this would be a good place to buy some TRON coins, and if price does go up in probably like 2 months or 3 months, you do have a lot of money in your pocket. And this is the Twitter page of TRON. As per the Twitter page, it is dedicated to building the infrastructure for a truly decentralized internet, and currently it has a following of 1.3 million, which is very, very impressive, because with projects like these, the more popularity, the more momentum it has, the more potential the price has to increase in future. So 1.3 million followers is quite impressive. As per the website, TRON is one of the largest blockchain-based operating system in the world. High throughput is achieved by improving the TPS in TRON, which has surpassed Bitcoin and Ethereum to a daily use practical degree. It has high scalability as well. Applications are given a wide variety of ways to be deployed in TRON because of its scalability and highly effective smart contract. It can support enormous numbers of users as well. High availability, more reliable network structure, user asset, intrinsic value and a higher degree of decentralization consensus come with improved reward distribution mechanism. So dApp chain is the TRON's sidechain project, and the goal is to help dApps to operate on TRON with lower energy consumption, faster speed, enhanced safety and providing unlimited capacity for TRON's main network. Currently, TRON has partnered with Samsung, Pionex, BitTorrent, Swisscom Blockchain, Opera. So these are like one of the biggest marketplaces out there, and partnering with them just shows the credibility and the importance of this project and the potential this project has to grow big in future. So TRON is an ambitious project which is dedicated to establishment of a truly decentralized internet and its infrastructure. The TRON Protocol, one of the largest blockchain-based operating system in the world, offers public blockchain support of high throughput, high scalability, high availability for all dApps out there in the TRON ecosystem. The July 2018 acquisition of BitTorrent further cemented TRON's leadership in pursuing a decentralized ecosystem. If you want to know a little bit more in depth about this project, please check the white papers. We're going to link that in the description box below as well. So overall, this project looks very, very promising, especially since it's in its very early stages. It is priced just at $0.105. I do feel that it has a potential to reach at least $5 mark or $10 mark in next 3 to 4 years. So again, somebody who is into long-term investing can buy some of these coins at this point, and eventually when the price goes up, just sell it, take your profit. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for now. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.